Hello everyone, good morning. It's Jordan here again, and today me and with two of my friends we are going to a holy place called Jamacho Gumba. In Tibetan it's called Langri Lungten. Yeah, so let's go there.
हेलो एभ्रिवान, इट्स मी टिकी गोले है। अनि हामी चाहिँ जामाचो जाँदैछौँ आज है।
Hello guys, we are still climbing. It is at the top of the hill, so you have to hike all the way to the top, or you can take your vehicles or motorbike and else. So if you are kind of a hiking person, then it's a very good hike. So just when you come here, just go slowly, take your time, bring water and something to eat, because there is no shop or anything at the top or on the way too. So yeah, let's go.
अब हामी चाहिँ अन द वे है। अब पुग्न लागे जस्तो हो। अब पुगे चाहिँ छैन, जस्तै होला चाहिँ 3 किलोमिटर जति होला है। अब हामी अन द वे हो। साथीहरू आउँदैछ मुनितिर। हामी चाहिँ टोटल 3 जना गएको। अनि केटाहरू कस्तो भइरहेछ? ओइ अर्को साथीले चाहिँ के भइरहेछ ल भन्नु पर्यो।
मलाई एकदम मजा आइरहेछ हैन। अब भन्छ नि त कुनै दुःखमा पनि सुख हुन्छ हैन, त्यही मलाई महसुस भइरहेछ।
सही
अहिले जति दुःख भए पनि छ नि, अहिले भरे हामी अब केही छिनमा हामी माथि पुग्छौँ हैन।
हजुर,
त्यसको आनन्दले छ नि, त्यसको आनन्द, त्यो आनन्दको लागि यस्तो सिडी त म जति पनि हैन
चढ्न तयार हो। चेहरा म थपिहाल्दैन, कस्तो पागल म। Diring roa, that diring hiking do there, and I hiking do there, and so hiking the wait, get away. Tamang Lundin,
So guys, we have finally reached at the destination, our destination, Jamacho Langri Lungten. Yep. Hello everyone. So I'm at the top of this tower, and wow, there is a mountain. I didn't expect that. Wow. So it took us like 2 hours hiking here, and here it's beautiful. So this beautiful holy place is called Jamacho Gumba or Jamacho Dada, and in Tibetan it is called Langrilungten, and it's also called Lutupuk. The reason behind this name is that at the time of Gumba Ludup, the Nagarjuna, he spent a lot of time meditating in this place. So that's why this place is called, this place is named after him, Ludupu or Langrilungte.
अब हामी चाहिँ अब यताउति अब त्यो अब प्रे गर्ने प्रार्थना गर्न पनि सकेको होइन अब हामी चाहिँ अब लन्चतिर जाउँ कि भनेर अब लन्च चाहिँ भन्दा पनि अब यस्तो रेस्टुरेन्ट त केही हुँदैन है अब चट्ट जाने हो अब आफूले के बोकेछ त्यही खाने हो अब के बोकेछ त्यो गुमडुङ खाइदिने अनि हिँडिदिने हो अनि वाउ
Hello everyone, so it has been a great hike. This Jamacho hike has been great, and right now we are leaving. We are going down, and yeah, so see you in next video, next vlog, and yeah, take care, stay happy, bye bye.